In this video, I will show you how to use the help desk. From the left side of your account, go to help desk. A new tab will open. Here at the top, we have the frequently read articles, and you can click on any of them, or you can browse through all the categories. We have general inquiries, inquiries about dropshipping or wholesale, about shipping, returns, or based on a platform. For example, if you're on Shopify, you will just click here and you will be able to see all the articles related to Shopify. If there is any article that you cannot find, you can go to the search bar and type the keyword. For example, I want to search for the shipping prices, and I will just type the word shipping. One word is enough, and you will be able to see the articles related to shipping. When I find the article that I want, I will just click on it and it will take me to the article. Articles either have a video, an explanation, or only explanation. Then if you want to go back, you can click on the logo. And if you want to go back to the website, you will just click on the go to website.